How is it going, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Another beautiful day here in North Carolina. A little bit more humid than yesterday. Yesterday was 85, 86 with good cool breeze blowing like today, as you can hear. But no humidity. Low humidity by North Carolina standards. Today is a little bit more humid, but that's gotta take what you can get. I'm not getting what they're getting out in the Midwest, so I am happy. But what is today's video about? You see it, I've got my universal letter opener. So you know what that means. Yep, mail time. Now, if you didn't see the video, I will post it up there as usual. The mail time 2 or 3 videos ago, or 2 or 3 mail times ago. A lot more videos than that. Oh, the never-ending world of YouTube. Rest for a moment. Before I fall asleep, let's get back to it. But in that video, I stated, you know, that I don't do a lot of mail time, don't receive a lot of mail time, and ever since that video, people have been contacting me, wanting to send me stuff. Oh man, it has been so appreciative. I really enjoy each and everything you send me, and man, it's been very nice. Because let's face it, whenever you receive a package from somebody, it lets you know that they're thinking about you, right? And it serves multiple purposes. Like I said, it lets you know they're thinking about you, or lets them know that you're thinking about them, depending on which way the mail's going. It gives you something new that you didn't have. It provides content for your channel, your videos and everything. And you know, it provides them a shout out, if you will, to their channel, to try to draw people to their channel as well, which is all, you know, it works for everybody. It's a win-win situation for everybody. But without further blabbing of my big mouth, this is from one of my friends. Make sure I don't show you anything. One of my friends from above the northern border. That's the word I'm looking for. In Canada, to be precise. Regina, or Regina, however you want to say it. R-E-G-I-N-A. Wow, way up there. S-K. I don't know what the S-K stands for. Regina S-K. Forgive me for not knowing that, but I'm not from up that way. So let's get this bad boy open. I see on the declaration sheet, which has to be a small package declaration sheet, which has to be filled out anytime you send anything in or out of the United States. That way the border patrols and all those good people that manage and watch stuff coming in and out of the United States knows what's in it, or at least what's supposed to be in it. So I know what's supposed to be in this. Is it really that? I don't know. I hope it is, because it sounds like a couple cool products or a couple cool items. So let's get it open. I already got the universal letter opener. Now it's starting to come around again. Yay! Let's open this from the bottom, because I can see there's a lot of tape on this. So I'm going to open it from the bottom. And the channel name that sent this to me, and I mess it up every time I say it, I'm sorry. It's N-I-A-N space Y. It's either Gath or Gath. Gath. I'm gonna say Gath. Okay, that's the only way I know how to pronounce it. I mean, like I said, not being from up that way, and I butchered English language, as you could tell, very well. I'm very adaptive at butchering the English language. But I'll put the name of the channel here as always, and I'll put the link to his channel and everything in the description if I can remember when I get to making this video. But yeah, and it's from, he's got a cool cat that every once in a while I tell him to give it a pet or something for me, because I also have a cat, you know, cat lovers. I love all animals, but we both have cats. And his cat's name, and I hope I don't pronounce this wrong, Broin, B-R-O-I-N, Broin. Oh well. That feels good. Just don't have to poke it too hard. But it's from Ian and his cat Broin. So let's get this bad boy open. Close that up so I don't open me. And it's packaged very well, and I can already tell that yes, it is what was on the label, which makes me super happy. And here's the reason why. Wow, very good packaging, buddy. Lots of foam. I could reuse this. Because any of you don't know, I sell on eBay occasionally, and I also ship out stuff to other people, you know, other channels and everything. Not a bunch, but I do it. So I can always reuse packing materials. Nice little envelope. See how y'all like this? Your 2019 mystery tool. We'll get to that in a second. Is this like a treasure hunt? The reason I say that is because I always do it. I have a habit I learned a long time ago. Pull everything out. Don't leave anything in the box. So I'm sitting here and it's another box, and I'm pulling everything out, and then I happen to look way down in the bottom. See it down in there? A yellow piece of paper. I'll get that in a minute. I don't know if I'll read it on the video or not. But let's, you can imagine what's in this, right? We'll get back to that in a second. But let's see what the mystery tool is. And I'm gonna put on my spec because I want to see all this stuff really good. Hello. Thank you for coming. I'm not gonna rip it open. I'm gonna open it like a civilized person should, because I don't know exactly what's in it. Hey, there's that. And here's what it is. I know exactly what it is. Do you know what it is? Let me get it out of the package. Sweet. Do you know what it is? Any of you mechanics out there will know. I guarantee you mechanics will know. Goes in the pocket. You're working on cars, you got dirt and stuff, you need to get the dirt, the dust and stuff out of the way so you can see what you're doing. Take it out, air hose on it, blow. Sweet. Alright, let's get this bad boy opened up. Man, you pack stuff good. Oh Canada, oh Canada. Oop, don't tear anything, dummy. Trash in the box, because we don't litter, especially our own yard, but we don't litter, period. Number one, it's against the law. Number two, it makes stuff look bad. It shows that you don't care about anything or anybody. And number 4 or 5, the last thing, this fella, you'll make him come to tears.
And some people don't. People start pollution. People can stop it.
Hey, what happened to the wind? Alright, I'm going to save the mug for last. Hopefully you don't see it. Pull out the innards. More great packing. This is some tough plastic. What did you have it for? What was it used for? But inside, a couple really cool channel stickers. Because if you don't know, Ian happens to do some really good cooking. Some really, it has some really scrumptious looking dinners on his channel. Some stuff that I'd really like to try, and I'm gonna have to try. Thank you, Ian. I'll be sure to put these in a cool place. How's that? A cool Canadian zipper pull. I think I'm gonna put that on my camera bag. I think that'll look real good on my camera bag. And one more thing. Oh, yep. Canadian keychain. Really, really cool. I like that keychain because the middle of it spins. Hey, that is really cool. Oh, Canada. I know, I can't sing. That's why I am not on America's Got Talent or any shows like that. And last but not least, the first thing you need when you get up in the mornings is what? If you like most Americans or most the civilized world out there, you need some form of caffeine. And if I had to say or guess, 8 out of 10 people, their choice of caffeine is coffee. Look at that cool Canada cup. Ain't that cool? Wow, I got some good stuff. Thank you so much, Ian and Brian. I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, please tell me. You know, you can put it in the comments below or whatever. Like I said, I'm very good at butchering any and all languages. I got a cool keychain. The zipper pull, like I said, that will be going on my camera bag. The pocket blower, and I've been needing something to help with doing that. I really have. I've been looking at them at the local auto stores and everything. I just haven't bought one yet. And this one, most of the other ones, you can tell they're really cheap, like a blue anodized aluminum. I like this one. This one has a vintage look to it, if you will. And I got my coffee mug, along with the cool stickers. We do it like this. Thank you, Ian. Thank you so much. Up, whoop, whoop, wait a minute. Don't go anywhere just yet. You thought you was done, didn't you? Or you thought I was done. I thought I was too. But I was inside editing the video that you just saw before. Well, actually, it's this way. This section. And then the wife came home. She went to Walmart to do some shopping and everything. She neglected to call me and tell me that I had another package. Got another package. And I actually know who it is. I know what's in it. So I went ahead and cut it open. Because, you know, no sense in watching me cut it open all the time. And he sent this wonderful note. Right? And I'll read it to you here. We'll go ahead and read it. And who it's from is a great channel called Camaro Mods channel. And the reason I picked this area right here, and I'm hoping it's working, is because it's real windy and I want to be outside doing this, and I can put the microphone behind the flower pot. So I hope it's working. But anyhow, anyway, what to matter. Hello, Pete from Camaro Time. Was going to send you the red shirts, but the people that I get the shirts from were on vacation. So I bought from another seller. Oh, I'm sorry. You didn't even have to buy them, dude. I really appreciate it, but you didn't have to. Didn't want to wait because I'm on vacation myself. Man, vacation. It has been so long since I've been on vacation. Oh, sorry about that. And about to leave and wanted to get this shipped out today. And I didn't want to send you a shirt that had Camaro Mods channel. Why not? You've seen other videos of mine. I wear the shirts. Whatever shirt you guys and gals send, I'll wear it. I don't care. But I appreciate the thought of everybody sending them to me, so I'll wear them. Because I wanted you to use it. I would use it. I promise. I'd use it. Going to car shows, races, etc. So enjoy the shirts and have a great day. Roger from Camaro Mods channel. Well, Roger, I really do appreciate the thought, buddy. I really do, but I hate that you went out and spent extra money. You know, money. If you're anything like me right now, money's tight. But I do appreciate the thought. And not only did he send me one, but he sent me two. It was so thoughtful. He sent me a message ahead of time asking what size I wore and what size my wife wore. Nobody's ever been that thoughtful before to ask about the wife so that they could send her something. So she'll be very tickled. She's gone right now, but she'll be back in a little bit and I'll give it to her. I told her I was going to wait to open it for the video. So here we go. Oh man, thank you. Wow. Let's see. That's the wife's. And this was mine. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Get the universal letter opener. And here we go. What's on it? What's on it? What's on it? Gildan too, real soft. I've been wanting to order me some channel shirts. Now I guess I'm gonna have to. Look at that. Camaro time. Told you it was windy. Heck yeah. Hot Rod Power Tour is coming up this Saturday, Concord, North Carolina, and I'm going to be there. It's supposed to be rain. Of course, it's supposed to start this afternoon and rain tomorrow, like 60% chance, rain 70% chance Saturday, and 70% chance Sunday. So guess what? It's going to rain, but I don't care. I'll walk around with an umbrella, but I'll be wearing this. So guys, gals, anybody that's there, look for a dummy in a white t-shirt, holding the camera, filming cars, and possibly talking to herself. But I'll be wearing this shirt. So if you see me, be sure to come up and say hi, introduce yourself. I'm so-and-so. Trust me, I'd be more than glad to meet each and every one of you. Roger, again, thank you very much. I really do appreciate it, and the wife would really enjoy hers also. So with that said, let's get back to the other video, which contains the outro. You guys have a oh, I can't say it enough, have a blessed day. Thank each and every one of you. So greatly appreciated. You all are willing to be here. Now for the rest of you guys and gals, if you care to send anything, it would greatly be appreciated. Hit me up, and if there's enough interest, I may start a post office box. If not, I may just give you an address to send it to, which it will find its way to me. But if you have a channel and you haven't done any content or anything like that, please do, because like I said, this guy doesn't know me, you know, personally. He doesn't know me any other way except via YouTube. He's completely across the country from me. If you picture, yeah, I was going to draw it for you, but I don't have a pen or pencil out here. If you picture, this is the United States, right? Texas, United States. I know, I am somewhere over here, and he is somewhere way up here. So, you know, you meet great people, you meet friendly people, you interchange gifts, you interchange thoughts, you interchange comments, conversations, and all that cool stuff. So by all means, even if you don't want to start your own content, at least comment on other people's videos and everything. It gets the networking and the conversation started. So until next time, you guys have a more than blessed day. Again, Ian, thank you, buddy. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Get out there and enjoy your car, enjoy your day. And if today's not what you wanted it to be, or today's not what you wished it was, get out there and make tomorrow that day. And until then, we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.